for the girls on the grind. This is for the girls that'll work full-time. This is for the self-made girls, yeah, the self-paid girls, but I never let them change your mind. Girls who fly, girls who thrive, living out dreams money just can't buy. If you question your why, you feeling defeat, you gon' look in the mirror, repeat after me. I am humongous, I am resourceful, I am much better than ever could be. I am the substance of everything hoped for, I am the proof of what's never been seen. I am so beautiful, I am responsible, I am enough and my soul is complete. More than just suitable, I am a conqueror, worthy of love that is whole and complete, and that's on me.
For the girls getting money, this is for the girls who don't need no man. This is for the girls in love with themselves. This is for all the girls that done did it by themselves. This is for all the girls that's IMDEPENDENT. This is for all the girls that be living stressed.